Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I have just completed my 24 scale Lamborghini LM002 and it looks beautiful. This is a 3D printed technology scale model and it uses PLA plastic for 3D printing. As you can see, the detailing is excellent. The scoops over here, the air intakes, and everything is so good. The front grille, the bull bars are separately printed and I have pasted it over it, and this bull bar is actually an earbud. So what I have done is to make it more proportionate, I have just molded it and give it a shape of a bull bar and pasted it in front of the grill. The headlights more looks like the crystalline head shape, but this is actually a decorative material. And as you can see, there are a lot of lines and craters on the bodywork. As you can see, it's clearly visible here. So what I have done is I have taken 0.05 as a thickness and printed the car. Post printing, I was supposed to sand it and use some good quality primer and a filler. Unfortunately, I haven't done that, but it was a great experience because as you can see, the paint is looks very sooty and there are a lot of rough surfaces on the car. However, the design and overall proportions are excellent and it's very nice. um, the handlebar, the door handles and these mirrors are colored using these permanent markers. However, the chrome part of this car, like this one, the bull bar, are painted using this liquid chrome. It's a very good product and it's also available in Amazon. And if you want to buy this product, this is a 2 mm chrome marker. It's a permanent marker. If you want to buy this, you can order it from the link in the description. It's a very cheap, very reliable, and it's a great product for repairing your scale models, especially the chrome parts of the scale model. And as you can see, the cladding and the material used in the cladding is just a normal foam used for packaging, and the windshield of this car is made up of the blister packing material that you find in gift wrappers. And these mirrors are reflecting mirrors are actually also made up of gift wraps. The steering wheel of this car is taken from an old toy car, and these the bull bars at the rear are also 3D printed along with the complete body. So these are very delicate parts. And for the tail light, what I have done is I have taken the picture of the LM002, printed it and cut it off from the printing and pasted it right on over the actual space. The exhaust tip is also made up of ball pen riffles and it looks a little bit like an original car. The 3D printed exhaust had some problems. It was not in the correct shape, so I just cut it off and made a new one. The fenders that you see here were actually the part of this frame, but it was very difficult to install the body. So what I did is I just cut it off and pasted directly to the body to make it look more realistic and easy to install. As you can see, it's a very good model, and looking into the frame, the quality of plastic is very good. It's a very high quality plastic. It's very strong material. As you can see, it's a very strong material and has a lot of tendency to you know uh, hold a little more weight than normal plastic. So it's a very high quality plastic, and the seats, the central console, everything is made up of this foam material with some lightweight resin, as you can see here. So what I have done here is I have taken the foam and pasted this foam over this pasted the foam with this resin and cut it off in the shape of the seat to give it a realistic look. So everything that I have used in this car are recycled from either from old toys or materials that are easily available at home. Except for the bodywork, this is the first 3D printed Lamborghini LM002 in 24 scale. Yes, you heard me right. This is the first 3D printed Lamborghini LM002 in 24 scale, and everything, the most of the components in this car is recycled from materials that we use every day at home and usually throw it when it's not in use. So it helped me to reduce the overall cost of building this toy car, and it was a great fun. I mean, it's a great learning. This is the first car that I have ever built, and since it has a lot of flat surfaces, it's easy to sand it, easy to paint it, easy to apply putty on it, and it looks good. It's a classic car and it's a timeless design, so it looks great. If you try to build a modern car, it will have a lot of curved surfaces and you'll find difficulty in painting it or making the headlights. But since this is a classic car, it's very easy to build and it's a timeless design. It's a Lamborghini, it's a brand itself, speaks, and that's why if you keep it on the desk, it looks very nice. So all that I have to do is to paste this body over this frame, and that's it. If you want, you can keep it as it is as usual, so that you can see the interior and do some detailing work on it. But as of now, I am planning to build a new car, which will be a Morgan Aero 8 in 24 scale, and this is the bull bar for the rear. So this is very easy to install. You just have to repaint it and paste it like this using a hot glue, and it looks beautiful. So I request all our viewers to comment and let me know what do you think about this car, what else we can do to make it look great. If you are interested in 3D printing technology, do let me know and share your feedbacks and comments on this video. Your comments and feedbacks are very important and encouraging us to make more videos and share knowledge about 3D printing technology, which also helps to build up your kids creativity level, and it's a great time pass. It's a great thing to do at home and save a lot of money. You can actually recycle a lot of things that you often throw at home. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel and let me know how we can improve our content. Have a wonderful weekend.